Devadim recording another video tutorial. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to add a new page admin onto a Facebook page. So from the page, you will just go up to the top menu and click on Settings. And then in the left sidebar, you're going to go click on Page Roles. And Facebook gives the option of different types of roles. So you need to choose if you want the person to be an administrator, an editor, or what role you want them to have. And as you click on each option, Facebook gives a nice description below to show you what features and what access the person will have. And then if you're Facebook friends with the person, all you have to do is type their name in. Otherwise, you can type in their email. And you'll see a list here of people, and you can click on the person you want to invite, and then click on Add. And then once you add them, they will receive a notification up in their Facebook notification section saying that you've added them to the page. And then once they accept it, they'll immediately have access to the page. Well, I hope you found this video helpful. You can find more videos and articles on our website, devadim.com. And feel free to join us on social media. You can find @Devadim on Facebook and Twitter. Also, if you did find this video helpful, I would love for you to let me know on Twitter. Just tweet me with the hashtag DevaDime Video Tutorial.